What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus against the OnePlus 7T. So we have the new Exynos 990 CPU versus the Snapdragon 855 Plus, 12GB of RAM versus 8, a heavily skinned version of Android versus a clean version of Android. Can the OnePlus 7T keep up with Samsung's new flagship? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display, it's on Android 10, it has the new Exynos 990 CPU and the Mali G77 GPU and 12GB of RAM. Then we have the OnePlus 7T. It has a 1080p AMOLED display, it's on Android 10, it has the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Just before running the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Galaxy S20 Plus wins by 9 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Galaxy S20 Plus wins by 2 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Galaxy S20 Plus won by a massive 9 points. In round 2, the Galaxy S20 Plus won again by 2 points. As for the price difference, the Galaxy S20 Plus cost nearly twice the price of the OnePlus 7T, and overall in terms of the specs it is a better phone. For example, 12GB of RAM, a Quad HD AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, a 4500 mAh battery, and expandable storage with microSD. Saying that, the OnePlus 7T is no slouch. It has the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU, one of the best processors from last year. It does have a 90Hz refresh rate display, but it is only 1080p. The charging speed is slightly faster, and it does have Oxygen OS, which in my opinion is the best implementation of Android right now. As for which phone to buy, well, if you want the latest, then you will go for the Galaxy S20 Plus. As I mentioned, it does have really amazing specs. If pricing is an issue, then the OnePlus 7T is still a very good phone, and you can't really go wrong with that. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do you own or plan to buy one of these Samsung Galaxy S20 phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will be benchmarks and camera comparisons, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.